Napa, here we come, birthday weekend. So we just came to Larkmead, and it's such a beautiful venue. What a special birthday weekend. Love my friends, super blessed to have this experience at these picturesque locations. You guys made yourself at home? So my friend Mary organized the entire weekend, and I asked her, hey, what's the dress code in Napa, because I've never been, and she said it's pretty casual, and I rolled up. It's pretty casual, right? I'm wearing sneakers. My first time wine tasting. She's a pro. She organized it all. Champagne tasting time. The observation. This is the best white wine I've ever had in my life. Could you tell we've been having a few glasses of wine? Ani joined us today.
I'm here.
And we're about to hit the winery. Super excited.
So my FOMO level can go from a 15 to 95.
Are you ready to go wine tasting, Ani?
I'm ready.
This video is all about seeing what a pregnant girl could do in Napa.
My FOMO level of having wine is pretty high. So I'm just like, you know, take a nice walk outside.
Well, we are arriving to Opus One. A very grand entrance. This is crazy. How's that water, Ani?
It has a mountain sweet taste that goes down really smoothly in the palate.
Turn up! Wine tasting on cray! This is after a very long day of wine tasting. And that concludes our weekend fun.
Quick getaway to Napa. It was so much fun. Happy birthday, Nora.
Thank you.